Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. My branch is Mechanical Department. My topic is comparison of normal light with laser. What is comparison of normal light with laser? The major difference between laser and light generated by white light sources such as a light bulb is that laser light is monochromatic, directional and coherent. Coherent means the waves of light are in phase with each other. A light bulb produces many wavelengths, make it incoherent. We shall see what are the advantages of laser over ordinary light. Ordinary lights, they are coherent in phase, monochromatic in single color and directional, travels in the same direction. This is the basic laser action. The inactive properties of laser lights such as coherence, directionality and narrow frequency range as the key advantages used in laser applications. What is the difference between ordinary light and laser light? Both ordinary light and laser light are monochromatic waves. Ordinary light is a mixture of electromagnetic waves of a different wavelength. Laser light is monochromatic. Ordinary light is non-directional and inconsistent. While laser light shows the directionality and a highly inconsistent direct distribution. This is the main difference between ordinary light and laser light. Ordinary light versus laser light. Ordinary light is spontaneous emission, whereas laser light is simulated emission. And ordinary light is incoherent, whereas laser light is coherent. It is divergent and laser light is highly directional. Ordinary light is polychromatic, whereas laser light is monochromatic. Ordinary light cannot be focused to a sharp spot, but laser light can be focused to a very sharp spot. There are three properties of laser light which are different than normal light. The properties of laser light are monochromaticity, same color, coherence. All of the light waves are in phase, both spatial and temporal. Collimation. All rays are parallel to each other and do not diverge significantly even over long distances. Lasers are light beams that are concentrated at one point. This precision as well as a focused energy is what gives lasers the ability to cut through material. And here there are given some differences of ordinary light and laser beam. Directivity. Light's wave travels straight line. Monochromaticity and coherence. The light bulb, it travels in many different wavelengths and coherence also. Whereas laser beam travels in same wavelength and travels in single wavelength. Peaks and troughs align. Light bulb and laser beam. Here there are diagrams of light bulb and laser beam, and here laser beam is unfocused laser beam, focusing lens. The diagram shows the light bulb of power is 100 and power density of light bulb is at 1 meter distance 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4, and laser beam of power 100, power density at 1 meter distance 8 into 10 to the power of 5. Thank you.